Hi, my name is Rubanesh and my matrix number is 24DAM 21F2018. Today, we are group 3 gonna present about practical task of lab sheet 3, which is fuel manifold installation, removal and inspection. So, before we get hands-on, let me introduce you guys about fuel manifold. So, the fuel is injected through primary and secondary manifold uh, straight into the combustion chamber line through the 14 uh, manifold adapters. So there are 14 fuel manifold adapters assembled around the engine circumference, around the gas generator case, as you guys can see here. So each manifold adapter is installed in a sheet incorporating a hole that is slotted to allow bleed air to flow around the nozzle for cooling and fuel atomization. The fuel manifold, adapter and sheet protrude through the engine case and the combustion chamber line into the internal portion of combustion chamber where the fuel is ignited.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Tajarifli. My matric number is 24DAM 21F 2005. So before we start the fuel manifold removal, we put the numbering on each fuel manifold adapter so that we can track before we remove. First of all, disconnect fuel delivery tube at dump valve elbow. Next, going to remove the attachment bolt and lock plate from inlet manifold adapter located at 6 o'clock position on generator case. Next, remove attachment bolt and lock plate from each adjacent inlet manifold adapter and remove fuel manifold transfer tube. Remove fuel down valve and inlet manifold adapter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mirza Muhammad Alam bin Mustafa Kamal. My matric number is 24 DAM 31F 2011. So, after my friend Nabil has done removal of this fuel manifold adapter, I'm gonna do an inspection on this fuel injector. So, we can see between this gap, we can do an inspection between filler gauge and between this sheet and the fuel injector. We can make an inspection using drill bit. As we can see here, this black mark is carbon deposit, and if we open this sheet, we can see also has carbon deposit. For the safety precaution, we never use brush wire when we clean this and in this fuel injector. Instead, we gonna use solvent.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Azri Nizam. My matrix number is 24 DAM 21F 2007. After an inspection has been done by Mirza, I will do the installation for fuel down valve and fuel manifold. First of all, install the fuel dump valve and make sure the sheath is covered the fuel injector, and insert fuel manifold lines to fuel dump valve to make sure it's secure. Next, secure it with bolts. Make sure the bolts are in place. Tighten it using ratchet with specific tight level to avoid any leaks occurred. Next, secure the lock nut using hand first before tighten it using wrench. There is also 2 lock nut to tighten it. For fuel manifold adapter also has a pair of bolts to secure. Make sure to use hand to tighten before using ratchet to avoid cross thread from happen. Last but not least, tighten it using ratchet with specific tight level.